Hey everyone, I am from Empathy Technologies and welcome to the first video in our Microsoft Teams series. Whether you are a student, a professional or just curious, this video will give you a quick and clear introduction to Microsoft Teams. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the basic thing that we are gonna do. What is the Microsoft Teams? Who can use it? Key features. Team, let's a comparison between Teams and other apps and a next video teaser. Alright, so first is what is Microsoft Teams? Basically, Teams is a collaboration platform. It is developed by Microsoft that brings together chat, video meetings, file sharing and app integration and all in just one place. It's a part of Microsoft 365 suite and is designed to help teams that stay connected and productive. Now what's next? Let's understand who can use it. So it is basically for everyone, whether education, business or personal. So teachers and students can use it for virtual classrooms and assignments. In business, companies, clients and customers can use it for team collaboration, meetings and project management. And if we talk about the personal, we can even use it to the chat and video call with our friends and family. Now let's see what's next. So here we have the core features that makes Team powerful tool. So first of all, let's talk about the chat. So it has instant messaging with the individual or groups. Teams and channels. We can also organize the conversation by the topic or the department. Let's talk about the meetings. We can schedule or join video and audio calls with the screen sharing, and we can also share the files or edit documents in the real time using the OneDrive and the SharePoint. Now let's see how the team and the other apps are different and how the team is better than. So other apps may have a great for video conferencing, but Team offers deeper integration with the Microsoft 365 applications. Other apps maybe have a strong chat and integrations, but Teams combine chat, meetings, file collaboration in just one place. And if you are already using the Outlook, Word or Excel, Teams fits right in. Right? So that's a quick introduction to the Microsoft Teams. In the next video, we'll drive through the setup your first team and channel. Alright? And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, empathy isn't just in our name, it's in every insight we deliver.